Mother Nature has arrived. Where's the sad songs? Ugh. We're at Tropical Smoothie. Eating any type of heavy meal makes me sick. Hi, can I get the chicken pesto, please? Like a side of...
No worries. Yeah, we're going to get us right back on track here.
What the heck?
They're hustling.
I'm so sorry. What kind of stuff is wrong with
How can us lose and miss the moment? In a top top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. We could try to catch up to us.
Just waiting for my sandwich. Where they at? No. I shortened my nails because it was hard to type. I have to work myself up to the real hot girl level. I hope it rains today. That's just the kind of vibe I'm on, you know? I just want my sandwich. Who on earth sat in my car with those dirty shoes? Oh my gosh. I don't even want to look at that. I'm gonna pretend it doesn't exist. I wish I just had a blanket so I could just cover it and not think about it. That's what I do with my closet. If I can't see it, is it really dirty? All right, girly pops, I gotta go to work. Thank you so much.
Sorry about the wait. I'm crazy.
No, I understand. It's okay.
$8.16.
Okay.
All right, there's lunch.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Ooh, I gotta get to work. Kidding right now? This looks so good. Wow. It smells really good too. It's go time. What the heck? Whoa. Whoa. I love Italy. Rock on, man. Let me. Ooh. Oh my god, the police. Oh no.